Class, we are now on 10.5. This is a diffusion and effusion. Diffusion is the spread of particles through random motion. Diffusion can refer to either the liquid or the gaseous state, but the principle is the same. Particles randomly move, and as they do, they slowly spread from areas of high concentration to lower concentration. For example, gases emitted from a smokestack diffuse into the atmosphere. Because lighter particles move more quickly than heavier particles, lighter gases diffuse more quickly than heavier gases. And now let's take a look at effusion. Effusion is the process of gas escaping from a container. Like diffusion, effusion depends on the velocity of the gas particles. For example, this image shows two containers, one filled with helium, one filled with air. Each container has a small single hole out of which the gases can escape. The smaller helium particles move faster and therefore collide with the container walls more frequently. As a result, they are more likely to encounter the opening and they leak out of the container more quickly. We can see from the principle of effusion in the way balloons lose air. If we fill one rubber balloon with helium, another with nitrogen, and another with argon, we will see that the balloon filled with helium, the lightest gas, goes flat most quickly, while the balloon filled with argon, the heaviest gas, goes flat most slowly. For this reason, helium balloons are typically made of heavier, less porous materials. So, effusion, the process of a gas escaping from a container. Lighter particles move faster out of there because they tend to hit the walls. They tend to collide with the walls more. Therefore, they have a better chance of reaching the opening. Heavier particles move slower, so they have less of a chance of finding that opening compared to the lighter gas. There are 5 balloons, each containing one of the following gases. Which balloon will deflate the fastest? The balloon that is going to have the lightest gas is going to deflate the fastest. So how would you know how to do that? You have to look at the molar masses. The molar masses is going to tell you which one, and it would be in this case methane, and then next would be nitrogen.